Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, and this is a reading regarding your career, your health, your finances, your love if you're single and in relationship. So I'll do the love reading separately as I usually do, but this is an overall scenario, overall energy of your month, how your month is going to be regarding your career, health and finances and your love as well. So this is a reading for September, 1st of September till the 30th of September. So let's start. So Virgos, how your career is going to be if you are in a business right now, how your business is going to be. Let me shuffle more. How is your business going to be? Okay. Oh, Nine of Swords. So if you are in business right now, you're in constant pressure right now. Constant pressure, and this pressure is going to be so from today, from like these days till 7 to 8 months. I'm sorry, I should say like from 7 to 8 months till today you are in constant pressure, anxious, stressed. You are feeling like the business is not working out according to your wills, your desires, and this is not going anywhere. You are in constant stress right now. I feel like you are overdoing, over analyzing. The situation is not that much worse as you are feeling right now. Of course it is right now not positive, but that's not that doesn't mean that it's so much negative that it can't be fixed. It can be fixed, okay Virgos, it can be fixed, but you have to get up and work your ass off again, okay? Obviously you are working your ass off, obviously you are doing that, but get up and do that again, again and again and again and again till you reach the point where you want to go, okay? Don't give up, Virgos, don't give up. You are very hardworking guys. Don't give up, okay? Okay, let's see what, if you're doing a job, let's see what's happening. So you are doing some kind of work under pressure and you're not able to handle the pressure. This is the situation here, okay? I'm talking about business only. So business is also a job. It's self-employed job kind of, okay? Let's see if you are in a job, what's happening with you guys. Five of Cups. Virgos, your energy is not at all positive. If you are in a job, you are feeling toxic, you are regretting, you are feeling like some kind of loss, you are going through some kind of, a job loss or something. Might be you're unemployed from a very long time. Now still you are unemployed. Still you are unemployed. And I can see right now you are under so much constant pressure, loss, some kind of depression because of your job life. And it's going to continue. If you are going to feel like this, it's going to continue throughout the month. So take care of your emotional health, Virgos. You are going through some kind of loss. Might be you just lost a dear one, like recently, and that's why you're not able to concentrate on your job or business, anything. So it's like some kind of loss or some kind of toxicity in your environment at your job or workplace. So you have to deal with it. You have to deal with it. It is the only solution. If you are able to deal with it, you will come out of it. And if you are unemployed, please keep on giving the interviews, keep on applying for new jobs. Please don't lose hope, Virgos. This is not the thing. This is not your thing to lose hope, okay? Get up and start again. Start, restart, okay? Don't give up. I'm not allowing you to give up at all. Never ever give up in your life. Do that, just do that again and again and again. Cool. Let's see how's your health going to be, Virgos, in September. The World and the Lovers could be dealing with a Gemini here. There's somebody who is taking constant, care of your health. This is a very beautiful energy. There's some kind of completion in the cycle. You are coming through a very bad phase of your life, Virgos. You're healing from this. You are in the healing process right now. So health wise, I feel like you will be in the healing process and you will be having a very good sex life. Very good sex life. Might be you and your partner are going to enjoy a time together, or it could also mean that you will catch STD if not taken care of. Please, if you are having any kind of casual relationship with somebody or sexual relationship with somebody, please take care of the STDs and sexually transmitted diseases and all that before doing casual sex. Use the condoms, things, use anything that is use the precautions. Basically, I mean to say, use precaution before jumping into the bed with somebody, okay? Otherwise there are high chances that you will catch STD, okay? And mentally, I feel like mentally you are right now under very very stressful situation. So I feel like you will take the path of sex to release this pressure, release this stress, release this stressful energy that you are dealing with right now, okay? But it is wise to take precautions, otherwise it's going to be really tough for you to deal with that situation of STDs and all, okay? Cool. So how's your finances looking in September, Virgos? Your finances in September, let's see. Okay, the Emperor is here, the Empress is here. Beautiful. The Emperor and Empress both are here for your finances. It's going to be like you are going to save as well, and you are going to go on a shopping spree as well. You can say you are going to be a spendthrift, because I feel like financially you will be feeling like stable. You will be feeling like stable, like you will be like, I have enough for myself, like right now. I'm not being royalty here, I'm talking about you. So you will feel like I'm not being royalty here, but I have enough to spend right now. I have enough to take care of myself. I have enough to be in a good position where I can buy anything that I want to, and I will just relax and I will just take a break from everything. That's a good thing. Financially, I feel like you will be stable and you will be spendthrift also. So you have to take care that you don't overspend, because it will like it will make you feel like it will make you feel regret. It will make you feel like guilty afterwards. But I feel like because you're in stress right now, because you're in constant pressure right now, you will feel like, yeah, uh, it will give me relief, it will give me happiness. Yeah, it will for sure. But afterwards you're going to regret it. So be mindful in regarding your finances, okay? It's looking stable, but it's not that much good that you're going to be like, yeah, I am Ambani right now, I'm a millionaire, I'm a billionaire. No, please take care of what you are doing, what you are spending, where you are spending your money, and whom you are spending your money on, okay? Be mindful. Cool, let's see what's your love life looks like. I will do a detailed reading of love and relationship as I usually do, but just for the check-in. If you're single and if you're in a relationship, let's see, Virgos. If you're single, you're going to get some kind of friendship offer, or some kind of date offer, or some kind of message from a person that's going to make you feel really good, okay, Virgos? And if you're in a relationship with somebody, let's see what's the energy. Wow, 10 of cups, beautiful energy of love and companionship and happiness. You are going to be really happy with this particular person. Whomsoever you are you are in a relationship with, might be your partner, might be your spouse, or might be your girlfriend, or might be just met this person. Whomsoever this person is, you are going to feel really good with them. You're going to make very beautiful time with them, and I'm getting the time like nearby 10th of September till the 15th or 16th of September. It's going to be really good time for you, both of you. You are going to enjoy the company of each other, and you're going to love each other unconditionally. Beautiful energy. Okay, Virgo, so I'll see you soon in the next video of love and relationship. Till then, bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste, bye bye.